Alright, today we're going to take a look at the Go Power pure sine wave inverter. Model is GP-SW1500. 1500 watt, 12 volts. Got it hooked up to a battery. Some boat battery terminal wires. And our load here is a Dayton 1/2 horsepower single phase electric motor. And what I want to do is scope this so you can see how smooth the motor runs and how the waveform looks like. This is a Quant Asylum QA100 USB scope. We have channel 1 hooked to a Pico differential probe, and that allows us to safely measure the mains output there, the AC output. Channel 2 we have a clamp amp meter that's connected to the motor. And over here we have the scope software running. And it looks like it's waiting for a signal. No trigger yet. So let's go ahead and power this up. And there we have it. It's running. The motor runs nice and smooth. Looks like our scope's triggering. It's happy. And over here you can see the waveform. Yes, definitely pure sine wave. The red line's current, blue's voltage. So if I load this motor, you should see the current draw come up a little bit. Yeah, it's moving around a little bit. Pretty interesting. Let's switch gears here. And we're actually going to do a single capture so that we can actually see the waveform as it's applied to the motor. We'll be able to see the inrush current as the motor starts up. So let's see if this works. Let's go ahead and start the scope. Okay, it's waiting. Power it up. There we have it. And there's our waveform captured in real time. Let's try that one more time. I'm going to turn the buffer depth up. Okay. Alright, there we have it. So here's our captured signal. And you can see we have an inrush current here. There's a little wiggle in the voltage. And you can see the motor's spinning up. So it's drawing a decent amount of current throughout the waveform. And then towards the tail end, the shaft speed comes up and the current draws down to a minimum. So all in all, everything looks pretty good on this. Very impressive. Definitely can easily run inductive loads, no problem. Hopefully everyone finds this helpful. Bye.